Beta, today we are going to discuss about infinitives from grammar portion. Infinitive, basically 2 plus first form of verb, is called infinitive. Infinitives, let I tell you the uses of infinitives, when we can use infinitives and what is the place of infinitive. Infinitives is used after adjective. Look at the sentence number 1. It is difficult to learn English well. Difficult, this is the adjective. To learn, this is the infinitive. To learn, 2 plus first form of verb is called infinitive. So it is difficult to learn English if we are going to do the sentence analysis. So difficult is the adjective. To learn, this is the infinitive. In sentence number 2, we are so happy to be husband and wife. We are so happy. In this sentence, happy is the adjective. To be, this is called infinitive, husband and wife. So infinitive is used after adjectives. Adjective plus 2 plus first form of verb. So infinitive can be used after adjectives. Number 2, infinitive is used to show purpose in the sentence. She went to Korea to meet EXO. She went to Korea. Why she went to Korea? To meet EXO. So there is a purpose. To meet EXO, this is the purpose. She went to Korea to meet EXO. So to meet is the infinitive. 2 plus first form of verb is called infinitive. Alex has been studying hard to pass the entrance exam. Why Alex has been studying hard? Just for the sake to pass the entrance of exam. So to pass, this is showing the purpose. To first form of verb, and it is also showing the purpose in the sentence. Infinitive is used after certain verbs. Look at the list of the words and come toward the sentence number 1. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? If we are going to do the sentence analysis, what is the question word? Do is the helping verb. You is the subject. Want is the verb that is showing the present tense. To do, this is the second. Do is the second verb. If there are two verbs in one sentence, so when we have to use the second verb, we will use infinitive, just like 2 plus first form of verb. And keep one thing in your mind: after 2 we cannot use second form of verb, we cannot use third form of verb. Only the first form of verb would be used after 2. So 2 plus first form of verb in sentence, this portion is called infinitive. I hope to go to university next year. I hope. Hope is the first verb. To go is the second verb. And whenever we have to use the second verb in a sentence, before the second verb we will use to. So this portion is called infinitive. So we can say that after certain verbs we can use infinitives. Infinitives 2 plus first form of verb. Infinitive is used after adjectives. Infinitive is used to show purpose. Infinitive is used after certain verbs. So keep these things in your mind.